Hey guys, I'm going to be singing Tim McGraw by Taylor Swift. My computer doesn't like to let me use sound for some reason when I'm making YouTube videos. Shut up, phone. Ooh, still got some cinnamon on it from the cinnamon challenge. Ah! Um, so yeah, I just have to look at the lyrics because my computer is stupid. Okay. Here we go. Wait, is there going to be music? Said the way my blue eyes shine, put those Georgia stars to shame that night. Said the light, just a boy and a Chevy truck that had a tendency of getting stuck. The back roads at night, and I was right there beside him all summer long. And then the town we woke up to find that summer gone. But when you think Tim McGraw, I hope you think my favorite song, the one we danced to all night long. The moon like a spotlight on the lake. When you think happiness, I hope you think that little black dress. Think of my head on your chest. And my old pretty blue jeans. When you think Tim McGraw, I hope you think of me. September, summer, for tears. I'm thinking, God, that you weren't here to see me like that. But in a box beneath my bed is a letter that you never read 3 summers back. It's hard not to find it all a little bittersweet. And looking back on all of that, it's nice to believe when you think Tim McGraw. I hope you think my favorite song, the one we danced to all night long. The moon like a spotlight on the lake. When you think happiness, I hope you think that little black dress. Think of my head on your chest. And my old faded blue jeans. When you think Tim McGraw, I hope you think of me. And I'm back for the first time since, and I'm standing on your street. There's a letter left on your doorstep, and the first thing that you'll read is when you think Tim McGraw. I hope you think my favorite song. Someday you'll turn your radio on. I hope it takes you back to that place where you think happiness. I hope you think that little black dress. Think of my head on your chest. And my old faded blue jeans. When you think Tim McGraw, I hope you think of me. Ooh, think of me. He said the way my blue eyes shine, but those Georgia stars to shame that night. I said that's a lie. Don't. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave me a song to sing because I'm really, really bored. I'm home alone with a sprained ankle because it just like happened an hour ago. I did the cinnamon challenge. Go watch that. The cinnamon and the chubby bunny challenge. Bunny. Bananas. Oh shit. My face. Yeah. Watch my videos. Comment. Subscribe. Like. Favorite. Whatever you want to do. Bye.